Kaugnay pa rin ang kaguluhan sa Zamboanga City. Makakausap natin si Zamboanga City Mayor Maria Isabel Climaco. Mayor Climaco, good evening po.
Good evening po, Arnold. We're right here in our command center trying to assess po yung number of our evacuees, and we've declared curfew starting at 8 o'clock tonight hanggang 5 a.m. tomorrow po. And then ang advice po namin is that we ask all the civilians to stay in their homes, to not go out in the streets, and the police and military are properly handling the situation. Out of the 98 barangays po, 4 barangays have been affected because of the entrenchment po ng ating mga MNLF forces.
May panibago hubang enkwentro ngayong gabi, Mayor?
Wala po, Arnold. The total stats as of earlier reported is 4 killed, 14 wounded, and around 5,000 hostages po. 5,000 evacuees.
Okay, doon sa mga armadong unang lumusob, nagkaroon pa ho ba ng mga contingency o mga sumunod sa kanila?
Well, actually, wala na po kasi na-block po ng ating Philippine Coast Guard and Philippine Navy all of the vessels coming in the city of Zamboanga. We also we have not resumed po ang ating air transport since this morning. Only the ones allowed that came in are the military airplanes.
So, nasan itong grupong ito na ginagawa pa rin hubang human shield yung mga kababayan natin dyan?
Positive po, as of this moment, we still have the hostages. Total number of hostages is in the earlier count, 87 in Barangay Casanyangan, 20 in Santa Catalina Mosque, 20 in Talon-Talon, 10 in Kamakop Mosque, and then an undetermined number po sa Santa Catalina, pero nakukombine na po ito. So, earlier report namin is around 220 but still verifiable po.
Pero Mayor, ano ba? Naglalakad ho ba sila? Sila ho ba'y papatakas o nag-i-stay lang sa isang lugar?
As of this moment po, wala silang movement anymore except for them joining the other groups in a place called Lustre. Ang nangyari po is when they went to Lustre, nagpaputok sila. Siguro yun po ang kanilang countersign of the entrance of the forces, no, to augment their forces. But we are trying to isolate them in the particular area to prevent them from entering the main city through the city hall. At ang nangyari din po is that we have coordinated and are trying to get people to further negotiate with them. Ang aming pong non-negotiables is number 1, we demand that the safety and security of all the civilian hostages and the population. And number 2, we will not allow the hoisting of any flag in the City Hall.
May nakausap ang emisaryo nila sa hanin ng MNLF na yan?
As of now, wala pa po. Tinutulungan po tayo ng mga iba't ibang sectors. The armed governor has been here together with the party of Secretary Rojas and Secretary Gazmin also helping out. We've also received the support of President Aquino and his designated Secretary Ona to also provide for our emergency hospital. Kasi po yung aming hospital, sinara na namin at nandiyan yung mga patients, but we have already conducted an alternative hospital right now, and there has been a response. Both national government through the DSWD also have provided their assistance to Secretary Soliman.
Maraming salamat, Zamboanga City Mayor Maria Isabel Climaco.